Hi, so today I made some spaghetti sauce, and while I was making it, I thought of a little tip for you when you're making spaghetti sauce. My husband told me about this a couple of years ago. I tried it and I absolutely love it. So generally, I used to make my spaghetti sauce on the top of the stove, and it would simmer, and I would stir it every maybe 10 minutes to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. But he suggested we try putting the pots in the oven. I put them at 350 and I keep my spaghetti sauce in there. And what I found is you don't have to check it as often because it doesn't stick, and it really cooks well. I don't know if it's the circulation of the oven or, because on the top of your stove it's coming just from the bottom, and in your oven it's circulating the pot, and it just makes a much nicer sauce and less work for you. So one of my favorite things, spaghetti sauce, and you have a great day.